Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, we'll start our chapter number 3, valuation of goodwill, with the method capitalization of profit method. We have learned 3 methods: simple average profit method, weighted average profit method, and super profit method. Now we are going to learn capitalization of profit method. So there are 4 steps to calculate the goodwill as per this method. First step is you have to find capital employed, which you will get it by the assets minus liabilities. Second thing, you will have to calculate average profit. So we know that we can calculate the average profit by 2 methods: simple average profit method and the weighted average profit method. After getting the average profit, the next step is find out the capitalized profit. Capitalized profit, how will you get it? So average profit, which you have find in the earlier step, average profit divided by expected rate of return, which will be there in the question, multiply by the 100. Then the last, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized profit minus capital employed. बहुत ही सिंपल है, इजी रहेगा. सुपर प्रॉफिट से तो इजी है, एक स्टेप कम हो जाता है यहाँ पे बस. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द इलस्ट्रेशन. 7. From the following information of Manoj and Harish firm, determine the value of goodwill by capitalized average profit method. Okay. So we have given the profits of different years. Then additional information. Assets of business 13,40,000. Liabilities 340. Expected rate of return of business is 10%. Illustration 7. So first we will calculate the capital employed. CE means capital employed. Capital employed. Capital employed is equal to assets minus liability. So we have to write the formula in the examination. Assets 13,40,000 minus liabilities 340. So the capital employed is 10 lakh rupees. Capital employed is 10 lakh rupees. Okay. Now the second thing, average profit. Average profit. So there are 2 ways to calculate the average profit. One is the simple and the second one is a weighted average method. For that, we will have to notice the profit. So if you will check the profit, 90, 1 lakh, 110, 130 and 150. So there is a one trend, continuous increasing trend in the profits. So as per that, you will have to take the weighted average profit method. Which method? Weighted average profit method. Profits are 90,000 1,10,000, 1,30,000 and 1,50,000. So now we will give the weight. Weight is easy to give, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Wait. Here it is of 1 lakh, then 1,10,000, 130 and 150. Now weighted profit. How we will get the weighted profit? By multiplying the profit and weights. 90,000, 1 lakh into 2 lakh, 110 into 3 lakh 30,000, 130 into 4, 5 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 50,000 into 5, 7 lakh 50,000. Now do the total of weighted profit. It will be 18 lakh 90,000. 18 lakh 90,000 rupees. Now weighted average profit is equal to, what is the formula for the weighted average profit? Total weighted profit divided by total weight. Total weighted profit is 18 lakh 19,000 divided by 50. Total weighted profit is 18 lakh 90,000 divided by total weight is 150. So the weighted average profit is 1,26,000. Weighted average profit is 1,26,000 rupees only. Okay. So now we have the weighted average profit. So put it over here into the capitalized profit formula. 126 divided by expected rate of return. What is the expected rate of return in the question? It is a 10%. How much is it? 10%. So I will put over here in the place of average profit 1,26,000 average profit, and expected rate of return over here it is 10%. 126 divided by 10 multiplied by 100. So our capitalized profit will be 12,60,000. What was the next step? To calculate the capitalized profit. What is the formula for capitalized profit? So the weighted average profit divided by expected rate of return multiplied by 100. So, weighted average profit was 126 divided by expected rate of return is 10 multiplied by 100. So the capitalized profit is 12,60,000. Okay. Now to calculate the goodwill, it is too much easy. Capitalized profit is 12,60,000 minus what was the capital employed? Was a 10 lakh. How much is it? 10 lakh. So the goodwill is 2,60,000 only. Okay. 2,60,000. Capitalized profit minus capital employed. Sum is over. Easy to understand, easy to do. बस आपको ये 4 स्टेप्स याद रखने हैं. So यहाँ पे आपकी फोर्थ मेथड कंप्लीट होती है, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट मेथड. नाउ द लास्ट मेथड, सुपर प्रॉफिट कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड. Super profit capitalization method. The last method of this chapter, which is also important for the examination purpose. Many of the students gets confused between the normal capitalization of profit method and super capitalization of super profit method. ये दोनों जो ये भी फोर्थ मेथड करवाया और अभी जो हम 5वीं मेथड करने वाले हैं, मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज्ड इन बिटवीन दिस टू मेथड्स. super profit capitalization मेथड, सुपर प्रॉफिट कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड। उसके भी 5 स्टेप्स हैं। 1, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड। कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड, हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट? बाय डूइंग द असेट्स माइनस liabilities. Then second step, find out the expected profit. How will you get the expected profit? Capital employed multiplied by expected rate of return divided by 100. So you will get the expected profit. Third, calculate the average profit. For that there are 2 methods, simple and weighted average profit method, that will be decided as per the profit given in the question. Fourth step, find out the super profit. Find out the super profit. How will you get the super profit? Average profit minus expected profit. And the last one, goodwill. Super profit divided by expected rate of return multiplied by 100. These are the 5 steps to calculate the goodwill as per the super profit capitalization method. बहुत ही इजी है। कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड हमने देख लिया, एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट we have seen in the super profit method, that capital employed multiplied by expected rate of return divided by 100. एवरेज प्रॉफिट वो तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, सुपर प्रॉफिट भी हमने सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड में देख लिया। ये लास्ट वाला है, ये ही चेंज हुआ है, लास्ट वाला स्टेप यही है चेंज हुआ, और कुछ भी चेंज हुआ नहीं है। ओके, let's understand this method with the illustration, with the help of illustration. Illustration number 8, determine the value of goodwill of Virat and Anushka as per the capitalization of super profit method. So illustration number 8, capital employed. First we need capital employed, and it is given in the question 7,80,000. 7,80,000 capital employed is directly given. The second step is find out the expected profit. Expected profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by 12%. Thus capital employed 7,80,000 multiplied by 12% expected rate of return. So your answer will be 93,600 rupees. Expected profit is 93,600. Now average profit. 2 methods, simple or weighted. Check out the 4 profits. If you will see the profits given in the question, so there is no trend of increasing or decreasing in the profit. So we will go with the simple average profit. Average profit. So how will we get it? Total of the profit 2,70,000, 240, 2,50,000 plus 2,30,000 Divide by how many years there are? 5 years. How many years? 5 years. 11,90,000 divided by 5. So the answer will be 2,38,000. So average profit for this question is 2,38,000. How we get it? By doing the total of the profit given in the question and divided by 5 years. Okay, now we have the average profit. Calculate the super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit, which is 2,38,000 minus expected profit, which is 93,600. So the super profit will be 1,44,400. 1,44,400. That is the super profit. Average profit 238 minus expected profit 93,600. Now about the goodwill. So what is the formula for the goodwill? Super profit, that is 1,44,400 divided by expected rate of return, which is 12%. If you are writing over here percentage, then you do not need to write multiply by 100. If you are not writing percentage, then you will have to write that 100. So the goodwill will be 12,03,333. So goodwill will be 12,03,333.33. Okay. So this was the last lecture of this chapter. I tried to explain you all the methods and the theory of this chapter. If you have any query regarding any sum, any question, so you can ask me. Okay. Now I will put the lecture for the next chapter. Okay. Thank you all of you.